Residency Match Day, one of the most defining moments for medical students around the world. But what exactly is Match Day, and how does the process work? Match Day is the day medical students find out where they will complete their residency training. It's the next step after earning an MD degree. The match process, coordinated by the National Resident Matching Program, NRMP, pairs students with residency programs through an algorithm based on preferences. Medical students submit applications through ERES, including their resume, letters of recommendation, and exam scores. Between September and February, students interview with residency programs to showcase their skills, experiences, and suitability. After interviews, students rank programs they want, and residency directors rank candidates. The NRMP algorithm then determines the best matches. During match week, students learn if they matched. Those unmatched can try the Supplemental Offer and Acceptance Program, SOAP. For Caribbean medical students, Match Day is a chance to enter the U.S. healthcare system. Clinical rotations in the U.S. play a vital role in making them competitive applicants. Well, how can you boost your chances of matching? Gain U.S. clinical experience, ace the USMLE exams, get strong recommendation letters, and start early. Match Day is a milestone, transitioning students from medical school to residency and marking the beginning of their professional medical careers. At Texila American University, we ensure our students receive top-tier medical education, preparing them for success in the match process. Listen to some of our successful graduates who secured residency positions across the United States.
Hey, my name is Salma. I am a new graduate from Texila American University. I attended Texila in 2011 when it first started, when it was open, and I was able to see it grow throughout the years. I started as a pre-med student, then I went into med school. I wanted to go on the US track. So after my med school 2 years in Guyana, I went to Chicago and completed my clinical rotations. There's a great clinical coordinator over here that places me in different hospitals and clinics, and we're able to get the best experience. When I was done, I finished all my exams, my USMLE step 1, 2, and then I applied for residency. I was able to match in Chicago as well, where I completed my residency, and I just finished a few months ago. I will be starting a job as an outpatient attending in Chicago this month, September, and I'm so happy with everything that happened in Texila. It was such a great experience. Everyone here was great to work with, and they saw my potential and they were able to help me build that and grow it. So I'm very thankful for this experience. Thank you.
Ready to take the next step toward becoming a doctor? Learn more about Texila's MD program and clinical rotations in the U.S. Apply today.